Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the practical number 12 of software testing, that is executing test cases to generate defect report for login page. So here we are going to consider the example of Google login page, right? So what is the practical significance? The login is the first and foremost step to provide a basic security to any standalone or web based application. This module eliminates the basic threat which can come towards so, come towards system from beginners or intermediate sources of attackers. So login process indeed provide all types of authentication and authorization so that only legitimate users can have access to the system. In view of providing security to the system, one need to have rigorous verification of login module. The most test engineers needs to verify all kind of testing such as interface testing, SQL injections, DOS, DDoS, etc. In this practical, the students will able to work with the different interfaces to execute the test cases and generate a defect report for login interface. So again, there are the relevant program outcomes. That is, you need to have a basic knowledge, discipline knowledge. You need to have some hands-on experiments and practice. You need to have a knowledge of engineering tools, some ethics, and you need to have a ability of lifelong learning. Okay. So what is the practical outcome of this particular practical? That is, you are able to prepare a defect report for a login page, any login page. Okay. So now we are going to consider the Google login page. Okay, so this is your Google login page. Here you are always you are going to mention your email ID. Then afterward you are mentioning the password, and then you click on the sign in button. Okay, so here I have mentioned some test cases regarding the login page. Okay, so I have only mentioned the 7 test cases. You need to prepare a bug report for that particular test cases. You need to apply it on the Google login page. Okay, according to it you need to prepare a defect report, and when you discover any bug, so you need to mention that particular bug, and according to it you need to prepare a defect report. So we have already seen the sample defect report format in the previous two practicals. Then also I am going to just mention the fields of the particular defect report template. Okay, so you need to mention ID of that particular defect. You have to specify the project name, product name, release version. Then the module description is also needed. You need to specify the detected build version. Okay, you need to specify the summary description. Okay, and if there is any steps of replication, so you can also specify that particular steps to replication. Okay, then you need to specify the actual result, expected result. Okay, then if you want to if you want to attach some screenshot or log, so you can attach that particular attachment with this particular defect report. Okay, you can specify the remarks for that particular defect. Okay, you have to specify the defect probability, severity, and priority. Okay, you need to specify the reporter name which reported that particular defect. Okay, then you have to specify the developer name to whom you are going to assign this particular bug for fixation. Okay, then after that you need to track that particular defect, and you need to specify the status. And after specifying the status, you need to mention the fixed build version on in which particular build the particular bug is going to be fixed. So you need to specify that particular fixed build version. Okay, so according to you, you need to prepare this particular defect report. Okay, I expect at least 2 defect report is going to be prepared for this particular practical. Okay, so perform this practical on the base of assumption. Okay, at least you are able to at least you are going to familiar with how to prepare the defect report and what kind of fields are there, and how to mention or how to write a report. Okay, so this kind of skills are going to be built in the particular or you are going to gain that particular things. Okay, so I hope everybody's understand what the task is you need to perform for this practical. Okay, I hope everybody is going to perform their task very well. Okay, so thank you. This is it for this video.